Good morning, dear student. Once again, I welcome to each and everyone, and I hope you all are fine and happy at home. Now you know that today we have to start lesson number 5, and after this we are having only one chapter, that is lesson number 6. It's a poem only, and after finishing this poem, finally we'll complete the entire work or task of one semester. That is 6th lesson. So only 2 lesson is remaining. So today we will start A Stranger Walks into Town by Victor Marie Hugo. He is the writer. Okay. So now before starting this lesson, before knowing anything about the character, few questions I am asking to you. You think about the question and thereafter reply logically. Why I am telling reply logically? Because this lesson depends on the logic only. It will open your eyes. Because in this story, something is happened. And because of that, only you will feel, you will aware about a very important thing, that is give you the meaning for your life only, that explore your life only, that will give you ability that you can take right decision in your life. If you are in any situation, so when you are taking any decision, that decision is very important. So after reading, after knowing this one, this entire lesson, you will come to know, you will aware with this fact only. What happened actually in this lesson, name of the lesson is A Stranger. It means that this word stranger means what here? The word stranger, this means what? This means only that I and you are not familiar with that. Stranger can be male or female, anyone. Stranger can be male or female, anyone. Understand that? So now, and you are not knowing about this stranger. So this stranger is doing a work. And that work is what? Walks. It means that a stranger is walking. So if he is walking, so he is walking from some place to, means from beginning to ending. One source destination, one finishing destination will be there. He will walk till that, means he will frame A to Z, suppose. So when he will start from here, he will reach here. So this will be the destination if he will walk. So a stranger walks. Where he walks? Into a town. So this is the entire story that reveals, that explains, that tells the life of a stranger. How he walks and reach to the town, and after reaching, how the people of that town, they gave the reception and how they welcome him. This is the thing that we understand in this lesson. Okay? But before starting this lesson, before knowing any other thing about this lesson, I am asking few questions. You listen carefully. After listening this, try to give the answer logically only. Logically means what? You can discuss to your friends, you can discuss to your family member about this which I am telling you. For example, suppose that I am here. Okay, you are there. You are doing something, I am also doing something. And because of that, okay, because of that, we are in such a situation where we have to suffer. For example, suppose that I am here, okay, and I have stolen something. I have stolen something means maybe that this is the marker only, okay. This marker, suppose that I have stolen. Okay, one thing is this one. Second important thing, I am too much hungry. So I went somewhere somewhere means to the shopkeeper, and I don't have money. And because of that, what I have done means anyhow I was watching there, and at last what happened? I took maybe that slice of bread or any other fooding stuff, and I ate them. So one is stealing that marker, second is eating that bread. Both are what? Both are as per law. It is not good. But for which act we can give imprisonment? For which act we can give imprisonment? In place of marker, it can be any other thing. It can be any other thing, means it can be car, maybe I hit the car of someone, okay, or maybe I did any other thing. Any other thing can be that because of me that someone injured on road when I was driving, so I was not using helmet, I was not following the safety rules of the road, that is why this happened. So because of that I also culprit, and the person, another one means another role I told you, that suppose that I am hungry and I went somewhere from shop, I took something and I went away from there. So in both the cases, for which case person has to send J, and what would be the logic behind that? This entire theme is only about this relation, this entire, a stranger walks into a town. The name of the stranger is Jim Valjean. Name of the stranger is what? Jim Valjean. And basically Jim Valjean, he got imprisonment of 19 years. He got imprisonment of how many years? 19 years. It means that he has done some crime, that is why he got. So what was the crime which he has done? Actually, his daughter was hungry. So he went to the shop, and thereafter he has stolen a slice of bread for only one purpose, that he wants to give to his daughter. And for that he has got imprisonment of 19 years. So do you think that was right? In this entire fact only you will see in this story. And thereafter another character, innkeeper. After 19 years, when he came back, so he was hungry, he need a place where he can stay. So he need what? Fooding and lodging. So he went where? To the innkeeper. And he asked only Jim Valjean that please provide me or please give me fooding and lodging. Innkeeper told only, if you are having money, I can give you all the services. But at last, what happened? We'll see the entire thing in this story. So the two main characters are Jim Valjean and innkeeper. Around him the entire story moves. Okay, this is about the story. Now here, Victor Marie Hugo. Okay, so this is the name of, he is a male writer, he belongs to French. He belongs to where? French. And he has written number of novels. This is also a part of a novel only. A stranger walks into a town, it's a part of a novel only. So he has written novel also, poem also. Okay, he was a dramatist also. And he was not famous only in France. Outside of the France he was also famous. In abroad also. Because of his work, because of his rich experience that he is keeping in his story, that he is keeping in his novel and poem. That is why he is too much famous. And now the remaining part we'll see with the help of slide. We'll try to understand this entire story. So let's come to the slide. Good morning, dear student. So you know very well way that with the help of slide we'll start today's lesson. Already I explained you about the characters and the motive of the story and about the author also. So as I believe you understand all the points, basically this story is very important for each and everyone, because when it will finish it will give you a real meaning of the circumstances that happened or that moves around you, and it happened in your day-to-day life, and how will you deal with such a situation. With the help of this story you will come to know. Now see the first page. Please open everyone, page number 41. Once again I repeat, please open everyone, page number 41. So when you will open page number 41, on the top you can see name of the lesson, a stranger walks into town. The name of the lesson is a stranger walks into town, and the word stranger means here the person who is unknown for each and everyone where he is. Suppose that you are here and you are going abroad, so you will be a stranger for the people who will stay around you. So stranger means you are unknown for another one. So what happened? A stranger walks into town. One town was there where this stranger, he walks. The word walks here, it means that through walking only he came in this town. And when he came here, what are the things happen around him, which kind of circumstances happened, and after getting such a circumstances, how the people they react and how he react. This all thing is only given here. Now you see, next point, it is given time to start. In that it is written, here are few facts, here are a few acts listed below, full stop. Tick the ones that you feel deserve imprisonment. It means that all 8 facts you are getting here, and with the help of that 8 fact you will tell only after doing any of the fact, for which fact you can get imprisonment. Means here the narrator wants to explain, the author wants to explain about the imprisonment only, that which kind of act you will do in your life, then you can receive imprisonment. Imprisonment means you will get punishment, and punishment is given by local police authority, or simply it is given by judge, but the police officer they perform as per the instruction of judge. So these are the things. What is given after this? Put a cross against the one that you think do not deserve imprisonment, and if you think no need of imprisonment for any of the fact, then you cross it. For example, 1 to 8 it is given. Stealing a car. If you are stealing a car, So for that, what do you think? You will get imprisonment or not? As the same way, murder. If you will do, means anyone, any criminal or any stranger, if they are doing any kind of murder, so after the murder they will get imprisonment or not. So at the same way, that 8 facts are there. You try to do this, and in our next session we'll discuss about this. This is a simple game for you that you do and try to understand. For that you can take help of your friends, you can discuss, and you can identify the logical term. See here, the story is about a French man. Now we are heading towards a story. It is written here, the story is about a French man, comma, name of the man Jean Valjean, name of the man Jean Valjean, and his tribulation and reformation. The word tribulation means the problem, and after this reformation, how he overcome and how he recover, how he solve the problems after getting such a situation or embarrassing situation. So you will see in this story. In this chapter, we are introduced to this character as he arrives at the town of Digny. Now the name of the town is Digny. A stranger walks into a town. So the name of the town is what? D for Digny. And when this starts, so the beginning of this story with the character only. The character is reaching or is moving where? Towards the path and coming to the town. The name of the town is Disney. The stranger was from where? From France, means Frenchman he was. Name of the stranger? Jean Valjean. So this is about the character that we got. After this, you watch. In red color it is given, let us find out the kind of reception he gets from the townspeople. When he reached there means he reached Digny. So which kind of reception means welcome he got from the people of that town. See, early in the month of October, it means that it was time of October and early month of October. It can be after, means second or third week of October. 18:15, about an hour before sunset. So this situation or this thing happened before 1 hour of sunset. Usually while evening time, 6 to 7 o'clock you can say, sometimes 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. That is particular time for sunset. So before 1 hour of sunset, what happened? A man who was traveling on foot entered the little town of Digny. D and thereafter blank is given. You can fill there Digny, Disney. Now, a man who was traveling on foot entered the little town of Digny. Means a man means stranger only. He was coming from some place, he was coming from far away, and he reached where? To the town. Next one, the few inhabitants who were at their windows or on their thresholds at the moment stared at this traveler with a sort of uneasiness. It means that this one line express only this thing. When this stranger reach to that town only, to the town of Disney. So what happened? The people of the town they, from the door, from the windows, from where they are getting place, they were watching, and after watching, their expression was with uneasiness. It means that they were not feeling comfortable after watching. And if someone is not feeling comfortable after seeing any stranger, it means that directly or indirectly something is hidden that is associated with the stranger. That is why they felt like that. Now, it was difficult to encounter a wayfarer of more wretched appearance. What is given, you see, everyone? It was difficult to encounter. It was difficult to encounter means as he was a stranger. So, it was not possible that anyone can go and interact with him. Ask something to him that you are from where and why you came here, why you are looking like that and why your appearance like this. It was not possible that anyone can go and anyone can easily perform this activity. Here a word wayfarer, down when you see the meaning of this is already given, a person who travels on foot. It means that this stranger is coming from far away and through walking only he is coming here. He reached here and his appearance was wretched. His appearance was what? Wretched. It means what? It means only one thing, that he was not completely well. It means the word wretched here, it shows something unusual that can be gloomy, that can be pathetic. The situation, after seeing the situation of the stranger, you will feel like that. So his appearance was like that. When you will see, you will not feel happy. Now, the next point, he was a man of medium stature. He was a man of medium stature. It means that his height was not too much. Thickest and robust in the prime of life. Robust, the word robust means what here? Is strong or healthy. Means the man was not of too much height and he was thickest, means little bit thick and healthy person. He might have been 46 or 48 years old, and by seeing that you can understand, you can imagine that his age can be approx 46 to 48 years. A cap with dropping leather visor. The word visor is coming when you put cap on your head, so that front side, sometimes it will be too much longer that it can hide your face. So that portion that is hiding your face, that is hiding your entire face, eyes, okay? So because of that only, the face of the stranger, because of visor only, the face of the stranger, it was completely hidden. And burned and tanned by sun. Tanned means what? When you will be outside and you are doing any activity where you have to directly come in the contact of sunlight. So where sunlight comes, that area will be brown, and if any part of your body that will be hide, so automatically it will be white. So that darker part, that is the darker part only explained here, tanned. So because of sunlight only, his body was what? Tan and dripping with perspiration. It means sweat was also coming. Okay, it was moving, it was dripping. Now see the next page, the sweat, page number 42. Please come everyone on page number 42. So what is given on page number 42? Have a look. The sweat, the heat, the journey on foot, the dust added, I know not what sordid quality to this dilapidated whole. It means that because of this journey, what happened? The person completely full with what? Dust. Sordid means what? Completely dirty, okay? And dilapidated means he was completely destroyed. Destroyed means he was not having energy. His appearance was explaining or telling this thing. And the next term, his hair was closely cut yet bristling, for it had begun to grow a little. The word bristling means here, sometimes you have seen that a plant having bristle, it will be straight just like cactus. So the same way, the appearance of hair, it was just like that. It was thick, that from many days he did not take bath and he was walking. Now, and did not seem to have been cut for some time. And it also expressed that from many days he did not miscut that. No one knew him. He was evidently only a chance passerby. And one more thing we are getting here, no one knew him. It means that any person, they are not knowing him. He was evidently only a chance passerby. It means that he is a passerby. Any other person, those who know him, they are not around this area. We are feeling like that only. Whence means where. Where came he? And he came from where, we also don't know. From the south, from the seashore, perhaps, for he made his entrance into. So they are having doubt that he came from where. It can be a seashore, or it can be from south, or it can be from any other place. From where? From Disney, from where he came. We don't know about this. Exactly, they are not having any information regarding that. Disney, by the same street with which 7 months previously had witnessed a passage of Emperor Napoleon on his way from Cannes to Paris. And maybe it can be also the passage that is used by Emperor Napoleon. This passage can be there also. He is coming from there, that leads Cannes to Paris. So they doubt maybe this path can be also there. Maybe he is coming from there only, because few weeks ago Napoleon went from here. This man must have walking all day. And after seeing the condition of this man, we are getting here that from all day he traveled and reached here. He seemed very much fatigued. That is why we, after seeing, understand very well that he is completely tired. Some women of the ancient market town, which is situated below the city, had been some pause beneath the trees of the boulevard Gassendi, and drink at the fountain which stands at the end of the promenade. Now the word boulevard and promenade. Boulevard means what here? You have seen sometimes when you go for long drive, so you will see a long path, a long route, and next to that path or road, right side or left side, both the side you will get the trees only, and that is leading any far away place. So that is meaning of boulevard. So here the women, they were staying there, and they were sitting and doing something. Gassendi, it was the place Gassendi, and drink at the fountain which stands at the end of the promenade. The word promenade here, what? It means a public walk there. In this story, this means what? A public walk there, and through that public walk, maybe he came. He must have been very thirsty, for all the children who followed him saw him stop again for a drink. 200 paces further on, at the fountain in the marketplace. And many boys, many children, they were watching him, and after watching him, they were also there approx 100 meter or 100 paces further, and they were enjoying the fountain only that was next to the, or that was at marketplace only. So we got this much of thing here. On arriving at the corner of the Rue Poichevert, he turned to the left and directed his steps toward the town hall. Thereafter, when he reached, where he reached? Rue Poichevert. Then he took a left turn and directed his steps toward town hall. Means where he is heading towards town hall. He entered, then came out a quarter of an hour. He entered there, and after an hour, he returned from there. A gendarme was seated near the door on the stone. The man pulled off his cap and humbly saluted the gendarme. And now thereafter what happened? The stranger, it is given here, the man pulled off his cap. Means the man pulled off his cap, he removed his cap, and thereafter saluted the gendarme. Means that police officer only. And after this what he has done, the gendarme, without replying to his salute, stared attentively at him, followed him for a while with his eyes, and then entered the town hall. When he saluted, so he did not respond. He did not respond. It means here the police officer, the gendarme, he did not respond anything, but he was following while that with the help of his eyes. And after some time, he went where? He went into the town hall. There then existed at D a fine inn at the sign of the Cross of Collapse. And thereafter he existed at Disney, and he got what? A fine inn at the sign of Cross of Collapse. And he reached where? To the Cross of Collapse. The man bent his steps toward this inn, and thereafter he went towards this inn. Inn means a place where he can go, he can get some food, he can stay for a time. It's mean that he can get shelter there, which was the best in the countryside. He entered the kitchen, which opened on a level with a street. Thereafter he entered where? Entered in the kitchen, and he saw that it was open at the level of a street only. Means through that you can see very easily. All the stoves were lighted, and the stoves were lighted. A huge fire blaze galley. A huge fire we can also see of a stove in the fireplace. The host, who was also the chief cook, was going from one stew pan to another very busily, superintending an excellent dinner designed for the Wagners. It means that the chef was there. He was busy in looking after all the dishes from one stew pan to another. He was moving and superintending all. And that dish, it was prepared for whom? For the Wagners only, for the drivers only. Wagners means driver, whose loud talking, conversation and laughter were audible from adjoining apartment. Next to that, one adjoining apartment was also there. From there, easily we can listen, easily we can hear, or we can get the sound of that all the Wagners. The host, hearing the door open and seeing a newcomer enter, said without raising his eyes from his stove. It means he was busy. His interest was towards dish only. He was preparing that, but without raising his eye, he asked, "What do you wish, sir?" He asked only, "What do you wish, sir?" Thereafter the stranger, he replied, "Food and lodging," said the man. The man means the stranger, he replied, "Food and lodging." "Nothing easier," replied the host. Okay, no problem. At the moment he turned his head, took in the traveller's appearance with a single glance, and added by paying for it. After this, when he got, yes, he need food and lodging. So he saw towards him and said, "No problem, if you will pay, you can get it." He at this point. Now after this, you can turn new page. This is page number 43. Please come everyone on page number 43. From here we have to start. Have a look here. See, the man drew a large leather purse from the pocket of his blouse. It means that he keep outside a purse from the bag only and answered, "I have money." "In that case, we are at your service," said the host. Host only told there, he expressed there, "If you are having money, so we are not having any problem. We'll serve you, we'll give you everything, no issue. Fooding also, lodging also." Now, the man put his purse back in his pocket, remove his knapsack. Knapsack means a bag only. From his bag, put it on the ground near the door, retained his stick in his hand, and seated himself on a low stool close to the fire. Close to the fire one stool was there. He took that stool and thereafter he seated there. And on his hand, a stick was also there. He kept that, and that knapsack, that bag he kept next to that stool only. Disney is in mountain. Where this Disney town was there, it was near the mountain, means local area, it was covered with mountain. The evenings are cold there in October, and while if you are going there, so that evening will be cold. But as the host went back and forth, he scrutinized the traveller. "Will dinner be ready soon?" said the man. Means when the host back and forth, means he scrutinized, he looked, he watched each and every point. When he saw, he scanned very carefully. The man asked only, "Will dinner be ready soon?" He asked only, the stranger asked only, that dinner will be ready soon or not. Immediately replied the landlord. While the newcomer was warming himself before the fire, with his back turned, and the worthy host, Jacquin Labre, the name of the host of that inn was Jacquin Labre, drew a pencil from his pocket and then tore off the corner of an old newspaper which was laying on a small table near the window. It means what happened? While he was relaxing there on tool, he took a pencil and a piece of paper from that newspaper only, and he has written something. What happened after this? On the white margin he wrote a line or two, folded it without sealing, and then entrusted this scrap of paper to a child who seemed to serve him in the capacity both of squalene and lackey. After this he has, means when he has taken the piece of paper, he wrote something, and after writing he has given to a child, and that child was serving there as a most menial job, as a servant, or for other work also, means he was performing multitasking job. So he has given to him. The landlord whispered a word in the sculin's ear, and the child set off on a run in the direction of the town hall. Thereafter, after getting this piece of paper, he also told something in his ear, and he reached, means he went where? Toward the town hall. Means he told something, he has written something, and sent him to town. The traveller saw nothing of all this, and after, means this all thing happened, but traveller did not notice anything. Once more he inquired, will dinner be ready soon? Once again he asked. He asked only, will dinner be ready soon or not? Immediately responded the host. Thereafter, the host responded immediately. And what he respond, that we'll do in our next session. Till that, we have completed few things. Few things are like that. That stranger, he was coming from far away, and through walking he was coming. When he reached the town, so we got that because of his appearance, that he is completely exhausted. He is a stranger, no one knew about him, and he moves here and there and reached to the town hall, where he interact with Jacqueline Labre. And Jacqueline Labre, at first he did not notice anything, but later when he noticed, so he has written something and sent a piece of paper to a boy. He went to the town hall, and what happened after this we'll see in our next session. Thank you so much for watching this.